Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining. Today guys, we are going to be sharing a super exciting project. As you've seen all over X, it's been generating a lot of buzz. Pumpfun has released their first official airdrop token for their pumpfun coin. Guys, now this is super easy to claim. I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can go claim this. And first, what you need to do is go to pumptoken.net. That is pumptoken.net. Now I will list it below in the comments. It will be pinned and I will be listing it in the description as well. So make sure you have the right one. Go check it out and let me know down below what your thoughts are on this. Now guys, like I said, super easy, and once you go to this website, you will see that they actually have 1 million pump tokens, and 50% of that is going to be allocated to an airdrop. 25% of it will go to a liquidity pool, 50% like I said airdrop, 10% marketing, and 15% development. Guys, a super well distributed token, especially in terms of airdrop. And like you can say, 50,000 people have participated in this already. It's only valid for another 5 days guys, but it can close at any point. You see here that already 70% of the airdrop has been claimed. So once it reaches 100%, whether it's in a day or 2 days or an hour or 5 days, it will close. So this is something you need to act on immediately. Guys, also super excited for this. As we can see, good volume that's been generating, $2.30 million in volume in the past 24 hours and a $15.6 million in a market cap. I think this is going to do insanely well. We have seen what pumpfun has done. It's been making millionaires. Honestly, been doing insane. The volume on this over the past year has been more than the inflows of Ethereum. So absolutely insane. And like I said, they've got the right buzz generating behind this, as well as, like I said, the 50% allocated to the community in terms of airdrop is super exciting. Now guys, let me give you a rundown really easy. You're going to be going to the website, and here at the top right corner, you're going to be seeing the connect wallet button. You're going to click on that and it's going to show you all the eligible wallets. For example, Solana, Phantom, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase, etc. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be clicking on each of them and they will show you how much you're eligible to receive once you connect. Now guys, this is going to take 5 to 10 minutes for you to actually receive this in your wallet, and it's just because of network congestion. Could be possibly faster, but I'm just kind of giving it to you so that you are not super impatient. And the good news is that while you claim the one and you're waiting for one, you can move on to Phantom, to Trust Wallet. Go and check it out with every single one of your wallets, because you could make a good amount of money. Like I said, this is still at a low enough market cap where guys, this is going to do phenomenally well. And they've announced a partnership with Kraken as well, one of the biggest exchanges. They will be listed on Kraken from the get-go on July 12th, this coming Saturday. And like I said guys, you want to be making sure you get into this because 72% has been claimed. So make sure you go and do this guys. I really think that this is going to be the future of Solana meme coins in the future. So yeah, very excited for this, and this is such an incredible easy way for you to make your money. So go check it out and let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Have an amazing day.